Catherine Bernardo update, yung post ni Catherine. Is ready to slay. And sila Catherine Bernardo at Nadine Lutre. May aabangan. Project Queens. For Princess yata. Tapos ito pa, ayan, for Cosmopolitan. Catherine at Nadine. Kat din. Ayan po, Queens win together with preview. In partnership with Cream Silk. Ito sa post ni Sean Hoops. Ay muli makikita si Miss Catherine Bernardo, si Mimi at Maldita Chu.
Hello po! Si ulit, si Ningning po. Pero ito siya po yun? Opo. Parang pumuti ka, baby.
And dog lover yan si Catherine.
Tuntua siya.
Endorsement shoot ni Catherine. Yan sa studio niya. So ito pa yung post ni Rax Mercado for Sayang Philippines ni Catherine. Endorsement niya. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.